welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna tell you how to make DIY hair accessories. So for the first one I'm gonna use a piece of cloth and a rubber band. So here I am putting the rubber band in the cloth, and this piece I'm just gonna sew it up all the way down to the cloth. I prefer sewing machine. If you prefer a needle and a thread method, you can also go for it. I feel sewing is the most effective one, so here I am. So here basically we are trying to do is the rubber band is completely hidden by the cloth. So this is it how it looks. So now the trickiest part is we are gonna unfold the sewed part from the inside. So here I am using a safety pin so that we could just hide the sewed part and just let the clean part of the cloth come like out. So just inserting the safety pin inside, and just make sure that the safety pin reaches the other side of the rubber band. It takes quite a few time, so you just need to be more patient in this. And here it comes. So as you can see, the hidden part, the sewed part is under the rubber band, while the clean part is out like. And so yeah, I feel it's done, but you can see the thread is coming out. So for that I'm gonna just fold it from inside, from both the ends, and just gonna sew it up. I'm using a needle and a thread over here, but you can either use a glue gun if you prefer. After sewing it up, so here it is, just cutting the thread out, and your scrunchie is ready. So here I made quite a few of them. For the second DIY, here I am gonna use an old t-shirt, because this is one of the most simplest and the easiest headband you can ever make. So here I am cutting the end part of the t-shirt, just because we want a small piece of it. So yeah, now here you can either fold it, because I am folding it just to get an equal piece. So yeah, now I'm gonna cut a small piece. You can either cut a big one if you prefer. I prefer a small one, so that's why. So now we are gonna extend the t-shirt, not too much, but extend it some so that it fits your head. So now I'm gonna make a loop, a figure 8, and just gonna join 2 of the loops, and here it is done. So this is one of the most easiest you can ever do. For the third one, here I am gonna use a piece of cloth, cut it into a square, fold it as well as down, so it has been folded into a quarter. Now you need to cut one side into a shape of a leaf. So now here it is. Well, after cutting, you can see it is in a shape of a little bow. So here I made a scrunchie before, and here is the bow. So now I'm just gonna tie it on the scrunchie. So now I feel this looks a little bit more presentable and a little bit more cute for everyday girls and for college girls as well. So here I made one more of it.